There is a spot in a wood at the end of a lane in Tennessee. Sedge grass cascades down the hill. Tall old trees stagger towards the river below. There's a knoll halfway down, almost in the context of the space, level. This almost level spot has witnessed 100 or more meals prepared over open fire. It's situated in a perfect place to watch the evening sun slip through blue skies and dip below the hills to the west. Kim and I have been hauling our gear and supplies to our Buffalo River retreat for the past decade or so, unplugging and enjoying the quiet that can only be found in the woods. Over the next year, throughout the spring and summer and well into the fall, we'll be hosting dinner parties in the woods. Nothing brings me quite as much joy as cooking outside over an open fire. We'll be sharing our tiny spot in the woods this year with chefs, gardeners, and friends. We'd be thrilled if you'd join us.